And welcome back to another video of programming basics. In this video we are going to learn how to be a teacher on Khan Academy. So the first step is to open a browser. Now on the search bar type in Khan Academy. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now to be a teacher on Khan Academy, you can simply choose a teacher role while logging in your account, and even after you choose other options while logging, you can change your role on the settings. To do so, you can see your username on the top right corner, click on it and click on settings. Now scroll down a little bit and here you can see this role section here. Currently I am a learner, so to change this into the teacher, simply click on this teacher box here and click on save changes. Following this simple and easy step, you can now become a teacher in Khan Academy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.